Hi, my name's Tony Sarasso, and I'll be your instructor for the mini lesson and the bonus lesson of meteor showers. You know, you can see meteors in the sky on any night. You don't have to wait till there's a formal meteor shower. They fall all the time. They just fall more often during the showers. So get in the habit of looking up whenever you're outside at night. Maybe you're taking the trash out, walking the dog, going to the car. Just make sure you're looking up. Most of the 100 million meteors that streak across the sky each day as shooting stars are the size of seeds that travel at 50 times the speed of a bullet. Most of the meteors burn up in the atmosphere as they create intense heat and friction, leaving fine dust behind to slowly descend to the earth. The dust and actual meteorites that land add millions of tons to the earth each year. Meteor showers occur when the earth passes through a trail of comet debris while we're orbiting the sun. Many of these happen on a yearly basis and are named after the constellation that the meteors appear to emanate from in the night sky. The Earth passes through about 1,000 tons of space rocks on its orbit around the Sun each August during what we call the Perseid meteor shower. It is named Perseid because the meteors seem to emanate from the constellation Perseids in our sky. There are several meteor showers each year. Meteor showers are predictable because the Earth passes through the comet orbits at the same time each year. The comet orbits are full of debris that causes the meteor shower. Now, that doesn't mean we see the comet each year, but the debris that circles behind it we pass through on a regular basis. Think about it. Imagine you lived in a time where no one understood what these streaks of bright lights were in the sky. Where would you speculate that they came from? Would you attach any meaning to their sudden appearance in the sky? You probably would. To watch a meteor shower, find the darkest place that you can and lay on your back. Don't try to stand and crane your head back because it's uncomfortable and you won't be able to stand there for long. Watching for meteors takes some time and patience and may not be for young children. Here is a list of the major meteor showers that the Earth careens through each year. Now, the exact dates change a little bit each year, so the best thing to do is Google, for example, the mid-April Lyriads meteor shower, and it'll tell you for 2021 or 2022 what the exact dates are. We also have a blog on homeschoolасtronomy.com, and we update them each year for the exact dates of the meteor shower. If you need to jot these down or print it out, feel free. You'll enjoy watching a meteor shower more if you lie down. Don't crane your head up. You'll get tired of doing that quickly. Lay on the ground, or a picnic table, a reclining chair, or a car hood. Kids love to climb on the car hoods and watch for meteors. The later, the better. The darker, the better. The longer you stay out, the better. Plan for at least an hour. It can take time, but it will pay off. You don't get extra points for being cold, hungry, thirsty, or bored when you're watching for meteors. Bring blankets and pillows, food and drink and music, and you'll stay longer and enjoy it more. Don't use anything with a screen to be comfortable, though. The screen will not only kill your night vision, but it will distract you from looking up, and you will definitely miss something. There's nothing worse than looking away just for a moment and hearing all your friends scream that they saw one. Meteor showers are naked eye events. You can wear clothes, but don't put anything on your eyes like a telescope or binoculars. You'll want to see as much of the sky as possible at once, and these instruments, like a telescope or binocular, will narrow the part of the sky that you can see, and that's the last thing you want when you're looking for meteors streaking across the sky. Keep your expectations low. Don't expect to see a sky full of meteors all the time, but you will see some, and it will be great. Very young children will not be patient enough to enjoy this, and they'll probably prevent you from enjoying it. If you're going to bring them, make sure they have non-light emitting activities like snacks or some binoculars that they can play with. When you look up in the sky for extended periods of time, you may notice other things as well. You could really luck out and see a fireball, which is really just a larger, brighter meteor that appears to move more slowly across the sky and for a longer period of time. In addition, if you notice a small moving star, it likely is a satellite, shown above with the red circle. Also, there's always a planet in the sky. You could download the great free planetarium software called Stellarium to determine what else is out there to look at while you wait to see meteors. That's www.stellarium.org. Much less predictable than a meteor shower are meteor storms. If you happen upon a meteor storm, you will think it's the end of the world. One account from November in 1966 in the southwest United States describes over 100 meteors per second, and it lasted most of the night. Can you imagine? These were leftover remnants of Comet Tempel-Tuttle, and when the Earth passed through them, a meteor storm occurred. If a meteorite can hit the ground, it could hit a person or a car. There are a lot of wild claims when it comes to meteorite impacts on people, but there are only 2 or 3 actual documented cases of a person being struck by a meteorite, and no one has been killed that we know of. In 2009, a 14-year-old boy was hit in the hand by a meteorite after seeing a flash of light. In 1954, a grapefruit-sized meteorite crashed through a roof, bounced off furniture, and landed on a sleeping woman. I'm not sure if that counts as a direct hit. Maybe you give the couch an assist and we could count it as such. What do you think? If you enjoyed this mini peek at meteor showers, you may enjoy our full lesson, comets, asteroids, and meteorites. Nice talking to y'all. Have a good night.